Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning into our Mastering Mobile Marketing video series. I'm Rishan, and in this video I'll be taking you through some of the latest changes that are coming up with the new iOS 11 and its App Store, and also some of the best practices that are involved when it comes to your App Store optimization. If you're not quite sure what ASO is and would like to know a little bit more about it, I'll link my previous video in the description below. So as most of you are aware, Apple announced at WWDC that the App Store will be undergoing some significant changes. Now this is going to be the most significant change since the App Store first launched in 2008. We've seen a few minor updates to categories, featuring and search, but in this new iOS 11 update, things are going to change altogether. The new App Store is already available to those who are running the public beta version, but for most of us it's going to be later on in September when the public release is coming out. So right off the bat, we can see that the navigation bar at the bottom has changed. The feature tab is now called Today, and games and apps have their own individual tabs. On top of that, search seems to have been demoted to last spot. What becomes apparent as you use the new App Store is that it is a lot more visual and a lot more editorial led. The idea is that developers should actively showcase their apps in order to continue to educate and entertain users. And by telling the story to Apple, the editorial team will handpick apps that are to be featured. Now this is very much the holy grail for apps, as it will provide the exposure to new apps in an ever-growing market. But considering there are over 2.2 million apps out there, it will be interesting to see how Apple treats small indie developers versus multi-million-pound apps. They've created a dedicated form where you can submit all your information directly to the editorial team. Make sure to be as descriptive and creative as possible when you bring your idea across to Apple. Let Apple know at least 6 to 8 weeks in advance. Aside from the App Store changes, there are some significant changes coming to the App Store product listing. This is where your ASO is going to play a big part. They are shortening the 50 character limit down to 30, and they're also including a new subtitle which will allow you to communicate your value proposition a lot more clearer to the audience. On top of that, you'll have your 100 character iTunes Connect field where you're going to fill up all your keywords, and all of those 3 text fields in tandem will really play into your keyword optimization efforts. Other notable changes that are coming with the new App Store is the inclusion of your app's category rank within the App Store listing, promotional text, as well as one tap to review and the display of all-time ratings and reviews. As best practice, make sure to always use the maximum available character limit within those 3 text fields, as this will increase your chances to be discovered through organic App Store search. And also make sure to track your keyword optimizations using an ASO tool like AppTweak or App Annie, and always remember to regularly update your app, as this will allow the App Store algorithm to continuously index your App Store listing for new keywords. Although it looks like the new App Store is moving to a more editorial-led format, your ASO is still going to play a crucial part in your app marketing strategy. As always, remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and check out our previous video about tools that you should be picking for your app marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.